This video demonstrates step-by-step termination instructions for the AFL Fast LC connector on 2 or 3 mm fiber cable. The Fast LC connector kit contains the following items: a 900 micron boot, clear protective tubing, 250 micron tubing, and a Fast LC connector. A separate boot kit must be purchased for 2 and 3 mm terminations as seen in this video. Always wear safety glasses and properly dispose of fiber shards when handling and cleaving optical fibers. For 2 and 3 mm terminations, begin by placing the appropriate cable clamp onto the cable about 10 inches from the end of the cable. Insert the appropriate boot onto the cable. Remove 70 mm of cable jacket. Strip 35 mm of 900 micron and 250 micron coating off. Clean the fiber with a lint-free wipe and fiber preparation fluid. Place the fiber into the CT30 cleaver at the 10.5 mm cleave length. Close the clamp. Push the cutting lever downward to cleave the fiber. Next, take the Fast LC connector and squeeze the top and bottom of the wedge to ensure that it is engaged. Insert the fiber into the connector. Create a slight bend to maintain contact. Release the wedge clip by squeezing both sides and remove the wedge clip. Divide the Kevlar evenly on both sides and screw the boot on halfway. Trim excess Kevlar using the Kevlar scissors. Now, screw the boot on completely and the termination is complete.